Hi everyone, I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. As you can see, 35 days left for CAT 2025. I'm so nervous. Okay, I started my day with VARC preparation. I solved around 5 RCs, I guess. I usually solve RCs from Krakow course. They have beautiful RCs with good questions, like quality questions. I personally like it. After completion of my RCs, I analyzed each of them. I did well in some RCs and better in some RCs. After completion of my RCs, I read one article from Krakow Daily Articles. And then after my lunch, I started studying along with my friends. By the way, they were not preparing for CAT. I started my second half with LRDI. I solved 3 sets of Venn diagrams, 2 table-based DI. Later, I opened Anasthesia Academy quizzes. You can see here. These quizzes are free. And I wrote 23rd October quiz. I got 2 sets.
A few moments later.
See here. Actually, the sets are pretty easy. You can see all are in green color. I'm so happy. Actually, these are easy sets. Okay. Then around evening, I started my QUANT preparation. This textbook I bought in the year 2023. I did time and work and average problems in QUANT. That's it for today. I'm just keeping my preparation very light. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and comment on my video, and feel free to ask any kind of questions. Thank you for watching. All the best to all my fellow CAT people. We are on the same page. Hope you like this content.